Hello students, let us continue the pair of linear equation in two variables exercise 3.2. That is the third main problem and fourth sub problem. So here the problem given is, so now we write down the solution. What is the solution? The given equations can be rewritten as, that is, write down the equation given minus 11, bring the 11 inside, then we'll get minus 11. Similarly, next equation, minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22, bring inside, will minus becomes plus, then this is the expression. That is equation 1, then this is equation 2. So now next step is on comparing with standard form of pair of linear equations. So this only same procedure we have to repeat. We get write down, that is, this is, as we know, ax, this is in the form, general form, ax plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, write down, this is a, b, c. For the first equation, we can take it as a1. a1 is 5, b1 is what? Minus 3, and c1 is equal to minus 11. Similarly, for a2, that is next equation, that is a2 is minus 10, b2 is equal to 6, and c2 is equal to, that is 22. So these are a, b, c. Now next step is, that is a1 by a2 is equal to how much? 5 by 10 minus 10. 5 by minus 10, 5 ones are, 5 twos are, this will become minus 2, minus of. Therefore next is b1 by b2 is equal to, that is how much we have? Minus 3 by 6, 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So here also we have minus 2. Similarly, next we take c1 by c2, which is equal to minus 11 minus 22. Minus minus cancels, 11 ones are, 11 twos are. So this is also, sorry, this is not, this one is plus. Therefore we are getting, that is minus 2. In all the cases, the answer we are getting is minus 2. Thus we write, thus a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, which is equal to c1 by c2. So all are equal here in this case. So what we write, the pair of linear equations is consistent or dependent, is consistent. So since three cases all are equal, the pair of linear equation is consistent. This completes the fourth one. We move on to the fifth. The problem is this one. So as previous problems, we write down the given equation can be rewritten as 4 by 3x plus 2y bring minus inside, we get minus 8 is equal to 0. Then next expression is 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. So what is the next step? We have to write down, that is, what is a1? This is give expression as 1, this one 2. This is one only for your reference. Now what is a1 here? a1 is equal to, it is in the fraction form 4 by 3, b1 is equal to 2 and c1 is equal to minus 8. Therefore, next, that is, in the next expression, what is a2? a2 is 2, b2 is 3 and c2 is minus 12. So now next step is, now a1 by a2 is equal to, that is 4 by 3 by 2. How to simplify this? See here, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So this comes in the 2 comes as the numerator and 3 goes down as the denominator. This is 2 by 3. Next one, b1 by b2 is equal to, what is b1? 2 by 3. Similarly, what is c1 by c2 is minus 8 by minus 12. Minus minus cancel, that is 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So we get here 2 by 3. So here also same thing, all the 3 cases we have the same values. See here, this one and this one. So what we can conclude, these linear equations are coincident pair of lines and thus have infinite number of possible solutions. So therefore the pair of linear equations, what is the final result is consistent. So here also all the 3 cases are equal. So now we move on to the next one, that is this completes the complete 3 problem. We move on to the fourth one. First problem is, which of the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. So this is the given equation. So we start writing the solution. So same thing, solution, that is, given pair of linear equations are, so what are this? That is, ax plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. The next one is 2x plus 2y, here 2x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. This is the equation 1, this is equation 2. So next statement is, on comparing with standard form of pair of linear equations. So what we get? So what is A1 by A2? A1 by A2 is, so first we'll write down A1. What is A1? A1 is 1, B1 is 1, then C1 is minus 5. Similarly, what is A2? A2 is 2, B2 is 2, and C2 is minus 10. So now we'll find out, that is A1 by A2 is equal to 1 by 2. So what is B1 by B2? B1 by B2 is also 1 by 2. Now we'll write here C1 by C2. What is C1 by C2? That is minus 5 by minus 10. Minus cancels, we get, that is 5 1s are 5 2s are 1 by 2. In all the cases we get 1 by 2. So next step is, so the pair of linear equations is what? Consistent. Since all are equal, the condition will be consistent. So now we have to draw the graph. For the first case, we'll take first equation is, that is x plus, I'll draw a line here, x plus y is equal to 5. So we have to write y in this case. Y can be written as 5 minus x. So I'll write the table here for xy. This is x, this is y, and the values of x. So what are the values of x? We are taking 0, 5, 2. And I'll substitute this in this each case. 5 I take 5, x is 0 means y is 5. Next condition, y x is 5 means y is 0. In the third condition, x is 2, y is 3. So substitute all the values here, that is 0 we get 5, 5 we get 0, 2 we get, that is 3. So this is the first table for this expression. So we'll take the next equation. What is the next equation? That is 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. For this, what is y? Y can be written as, see here, that is 2y is equal to, we can write 10 minus 2x. 2x by, that's all. Then y is equal to 10x by 2x by 2. Then take 2 common outside, or 2 common outside. We get 5 minus x by 2. 2 cancels. Again here also we get y as 5 minus x. So we take the same values. Here see, simplify this equation. Then we get the same equation as same y as the previous expression. In both the cases the table is same. So once again you can write the table or repeat the same thing. So we'll take the graph. You can plot on the graph sheet, but I have here plotted on the plain sheet itself. Since only 2 was required, only x and y was required, I preferred for plain sheet. If you are comfortable with it is better to draw on the graph sheet. So now this is x and y coordinates. So this is, that is here, since only positive values of x and y was required, I just wrote on the y sheet. So this is y, just mark the point. This is x and this is y. So first condition, see here, that is x is 0. So x is 0 and y is 5. Mark here on this line 0 and 5. So this is the first condition. Then next y is 0, y becomes 0. Then first condition is y is 0, x is 5. This is the point. Next is that is x is 5, y is 0. So it comes here. We got the two points here and here. Next pair of line is 2 and 3. See here, x is 2 and y is 3. Mark the point here and join all the lines, all the points, we get a straight line. So here we can give this as, that is x plus y is equal to 5, and this one also 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So both we got on the same line. So we have to write some points here. So from the figure, from the figure or the graph you can write, it is observed, it can be observed that these lines are overlapping. These lines are, I'll write here, overlapping, means it comes one above the other. So overlapping or on the same line, each other, that's all. Therefore we have to write one more line, infinite solutions. This condition is called infinite solutions, or possible for the given pair of equations. So this is the conclusion. So since the lines are overlapping, means we are getting the solution in the same line, both the expressions are lying on the same line, we can write from the figure, it can be observed that these lines are overlapping each other. Therefore finally we can end the problem as infinite solutions are possible for the given pair of equation. So this is the first one. We move on to the second one. So here the problem C, they are given two expressions. So we'll continue. Solution, given pair of linear equation, so can be written as, we'll just write in this form, y is equal to 0 and 3x minus 3y minus 16 is equal to 0. So now on comparing, same statement, on comparing with standard form of pair of linear equation, so we get, so what is A1? A1 is so here A1 is 1, B1 is 1 and C1 equal to minus 8. Similarly A2 is equal to 3 and B2 is equal to minus 3 and C2 is equal to minus 16. So we are getting this one. Now here next step, same procedure, that is A1 by A2. What is A1 by A2? That is 1 by 3. Next B1 by B2 is equal to 1 by minus 3. That is B1 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 3 will become 1 by 3. Similarly C1 by C2 is equal to, that is minus 8 by minus 16. cancel, then ones are twos. So see here we are getting 1 by 2. So thus we are getting, that is one side 1 by 3, 1 by 3 is equal to, not equal to 1 by 2. That is A1 by A2, we can conclude this as B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. So finally, so we can write the pair of linear equations is inconsistent because 3 are not equal. This is one word, inconsistent. So this is the condition here. So this we completed second problem. We will continue the third problem in the next class. If you have any doubt, comment me, like, share all the videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.